Step 1. Prepare a memory card and a card reader. Insert the memory card into the card reader. Insert the card reader into the computer. Format the memory card on the computer. Copy and paste the upgrade package into the memory card. Insert the memory card with the upgrade software into the card slot of the display. Connect the monitor to the 12/24V power supply. Long press the plus key to enter the upgrade interface. Wait for the upgrade to complete. The process is about 2 minutes. Do not power off during the upgrade. The upgrade is completed with the logo graphic and the display is automatically rebooted. If you want to continue using this SD card, you need to enter a record to format the SD card. Select Format, touch the OK key to confirm the selection, touch plus or minus to select on, and touch the OK key to confirm the format. Touch the menu key to quit the menu mode. Now check whether to upgrade the latest version of the software system. Long press the menu key for about 5 seconds to display Y27 LHV1.6. LHV1.6 is labeled as the latest version software system. Connect the camera to the 12/24V power supply. Now it's CM1 channel. Touch menu key to enter menu mode. Touch the OK key to enter the pairing countdown. An image appears on the display, indicating a successful pairing. Connect the second camera to the 12/24V power supply. Touch the CH key to switch to the CM2 channel. Touch menu key to enter menu mode. Touch the OK key to enter the pairing countdown. An image appears on the display, indicating a successful pairing.